Welcome everyone to Ziflow Pro. I'm Mike Hrymak, and today we're going to take a look at Ziflow AI, an industry-first feature in Ziflow that harnesses artificial intelligence to enhance the creative review and approval process. Let's go. With Ziflow AI, customers can interact with our new AI-powered chatbot to drive key elements of their review process forward in entirely new and strategic ways. Similar to ChatGPT and other generative AI technologies, users can ask the AI a question right from within the Proof's comment engine and quickly receive a response that will help spark conversations and introduce new ideas. Make It's Hard to Explain a thing of the past by incorporating Ziflow AI into your process. A few text prompts can help you better conceptualize the way version 2 could look, or offer feedback to make this version look measurably better after the next round of edits. You can use Ziflow AI to ask for suggestions on how to improve the written aspects of your project. Ask for ideas on how to approach a specific problem. Ask for visual suggestions for your content, such as images, videos, or infographics. Ask for ideas on how to better differentiate this asset from what your competitors have published. With generative AI, the possibilities for creative collaboration are endless. Thanks for watching. For more tips or information on Ziflow features, check out our YouTube channel or go to ziflow.com.